Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs to write some documents. So to start in Google Docs, you just have to log in your Google Drive account. So from here on the left side, you can see there's a plus sign telling you new. So on this new tab, you press and you can see there's an option Google Docs. And there is an arrow button, and once you just hover on the arrow button, there is a two pops up comes out. One is blank document, one is from template. So you can start writing in document from a blank page, or you can use already some from some template that is provided by Google Drive. So there is another way you can enter into a document, and that is just write docs.google.com and press enter, and voila, you just entered into Google Docs. So here also you can see there is a plus sign, and if you press it here, you will start writing the documents. So I just cross it from here and I go from the Google Drive. So we see first from a template what is telling. So from the template, you can see there are already pre-written some documents with some styling. So let's say you want to write a resume, and from the template you see there is a template for resumes, there is a template for letters, personal, work. Some of the you maybe need something for work, to write project proposal and meeting notes. So there are certain things you get already, just you have to pick one and start editing that one for you. So even you can send legal notices by using them. So let's say you just press that legal notices, and you can see it is already done in a way. Now this entire text you just have to re-edit it for your purpose. So again, I can show you that you would like to write a resume. Let's say you have chosen this one, and it comes in front of you now. So here there is a address, phone number, email. You just have to change them, and you have to change it to your name. Let's say your name is Alexander, and you just change it in that way. And skills, you just have to write what skills do you have. You have to just give it job title here, your company name, locations. So it is already done for you. You're just going to edit, and it is ready to be used. So template is one of the strongest tool for you to start, but also you can completely start from the blank. There will be nothing, no styling, no header, no footer, everything you're going to do yourself. So to start a blank, press here, and a blank page appears in front of you with a cursor blinking. That means you'll start writing from here. So let's say you want to write a resume. So just give your name, Alexander, and your address. Let's say you live in Namibia, and your phone number. Let's say you have a phone number of 0001111, and now this is already written in predefined font and predefined a text color. But if you want, you can choose to change them here. Let's say you want this text to be in font size of 24. And also you want them to be different than Arial, different font. Let's say you want them to be Roboto. Now you can see the styling has been changed a little bit. Also, you want them to be in bold. Now you can see it is staring at you, it's in bold. So this is the styling, and here you can see that that there is a styling of text. And what is that text? Let's say you just select this part of your text, and you can see there are some of the styles. One is normal text, one is title, subtitle, heading. That means some part of your text from your writing you would like them to use as a title. So apply title, you see. Now on the title, it's already preset as 26 font size and in Arial. We just change it to, let's say, to heading 1, and you can see that just because it is chosen as heading, there is a you can see something comes on the left side that you can follow. So wherever there is a heading, there will be this content manager. So you can see once you have given them in heading 1 and heading, again this one is heading 1. So now everything is under this content management system. To enhance your writing, you can insert some of the items like image. So let's say you can take image from your computer or searching image from web. Let's say you want an image of a tree, and you search it and you found it, and you just click on this specific tree and you insert it into your system. Now this one, you might need it a little bit smaller in size, so you can actually resize them. And also maybe you don't want it on the left side, you want it in the middle. So here you can see the alignment of this image. You can find it here, so it is already in the middle. And also you just want to insert a table of 3 rows and 4 columns, you see. So here in each column you can write your item, and each rows you can write the other items that need to be under that column. So it's a very much interactive to work with Google Doc. And if you need special characters, you can find them here. Some of the characters you don't find it in a normal keyboard, but you need them, like alpha, beta, gamma, eta, theta. These characters you can find from here. And there are actually almost thousands of them. You can find symbols, emoji, punctuation, number, format, scripts, and so many things. You can give your note a header, a footer, page number. So header and footer, so we apply a header. You see, it is above your writing area. So here we just write text, and then header is ready. And if we go in the next page, this header is coming everywhere. So header and footer has the strong purpose that it will carry through all the pages, so that you don't have to write everything. Let's say you want your company phone number to be in each page, so you can write it on header, and the phone number will be carried through each page. So there are other styling you can apply, like here you can see there is a checklist. So you can write some checklist. Let's say checklist will be alpha, beta, gamma. So in a text, if you need a checklist, you can bring it from here. And also if you need them to be in bullet list, you can make it in a bullet list. And also if you want them to be in numerical order, and you can make that as well. So this is the very beginning of doc. I just don't go into a lot because in the next video I'll be showing specific items so that it is easy for you to follow as a series. Thanks for today.